What's up, guys? My name is Matthew. Currently a 20K tier merch by Amazon seller. I've been on the platform since 2017. If you're new here, take a second, hit that subscribe button below, and hit the bell notification so you'll know when I post new content. You can also follow my Facebook group just by searching Merch On. It's a free private Facebook group where we have a good conversation about print on demand. Or you could follow my Instagram at _merch on to get daily tips and tricks and info. In this video, we're going to talk about some free ways to do research directly on Amazon so that you know what to design for. So a couple tools I'm using in today's example is the Amazon suggestion expander. Is free, and so what it does is if I start typing, say I type Father's Day, normally you would get like just a few items that would drop down, but this gives you more. Now they have like the ability to kind of see what search volume and all that, but I just use the free version to get some ideas. So there's two tools I want to show you also. So you got merch research, show all merch by Amazon. So if I select that, it's going to show the merch by Amazon shirts for Father's Day. Well, that's one tool you could use. Another tool I use is the Productor. I could search standard tees. And the best tool, free tool out there, is a DS Amazon Quick View. And I'll come over here. So I use that at times as well. I use Productor. It also shows like BSR. But what BSR is like is another word. It's called the sales rank, and it lets you know like what is selling. If the lower the number, like if this has a BSR, then it has sold at least one time. The lower the number, you will get more sales. So this one right here probably sells maybe just by looking at it, 386, maybe one time a day, maybe one time every other day. It just depends. But the lower you go, the more you sell. I've had one shirt a couple years back that went to like 9,000 BSR, and it was selling a lot. Like it took off. So you never know what's going to sell, but you want to do research to make sure that there's a market for this. So let's just see. So maybe you have like Cinco de Mayo. If I select that, it says Cinco de Mayo shirt, birthday. If I hit spacebar and hit like A, you can go through alphabet. So adult, birthday, type C, chip and dip, decorations. Some of these may not apply, but you could go through like Cinco de Mayo gnome. So like unicorn. So if I select that, over here it shows you search results. 195 results for Cinco de Mayo unicorn shirt. They have like a unicorn in wearing a taco suit. It doesn't have very good BSR. It's not May yet either. But like the dabbing, you can see that's already doing pretty good. That's a couple shirts a day, sales a day. Some of these are going to be for different like movies and whatnot. So if you look at like SpongeBob, like a cartoon show, you don't want to do stuff like that. But you can come through here and do like Cinco de Mayo dog. And if I select all this, come down to merch research, show all merch by Amazon, you can come through and see what's selling for that particular niche. Say like fishing. I'm going to use the productive tool, for instance, here. Do not do those. Make your own designs. Don't just copy somebody else's. And make something that stands out that people want to be like, hey, wait a minute. Cinco de Mayo. Try the Cinco de Mayo birthday. That's kind of funny. But you could take this idea and do like different food items like burgers or pizza. So there's tons of ideas, but I just wanted to show you a couple tools that I use. I hope this kind of content helps you. If you have questions, feel free to drop them below or join the group and ask them there. But anyways, if you've enjoyed this kind of content, take a second and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'm trying to grow the channel and reach a bigger audience. So anyways, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Merch on.